Hi Instagram, Namaste. Welcome to Hyderabad, India. Today, I'm going to take you into the sets of Pushpa 2, The Rule. Before that, I'd like to take you home, where I start my chill morning. I try to wake up the most natural way possible. I'm very fortunate to have a beautiful garden. This is the only time for myself, time to just set the intention of the day, and it's a very nice, calm morning with a lot of light. We need a lot of light to wake us up. Now's the time for coffee. Almost at the 1 o'clock, I call home every day. Hi, Annie. They're the center of my universe. Well, we're entering one of the biggest studios in the world, Allu Film City. Fans in India is very different from the rest of the part of the world. You have to say it in real. I can't explain it. They play a huge part of my motivation because it's their love that actually pushes my boundaries, and I want to make them really proud, more proud and more proud. Selecting costumes for my movie. I'm a woodcutter. There's the most important. So this is my stuff. Slate and style. Hi, darling. We've been working for the last 20 years together.
First love.
I've done 20 movies almost, and Pushpa is my 20th film, and it's my biggest hit by far.
In Pushpa 1, he gets this big scar.
Scarface. And my family has been in the business of cinema for the last 3 decades. I'm from a film family, so that was on a light note.
సో చాలా రోజులైంది నేను చేసి ఆర్యా 2 తర్వాత. సో ఒక హెల్దీ అట్మాస్ఫియర్ అండ్ ఒక ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ ఈ క్లైమేట్ లో షూట్ చేయడం వల్ల సో ఇట్ రియల్లీ ఎంజాయ్ ద షూటింగ్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ హీస్ మై ఫస్ట్ హీరో.
There's one thing about this character that I really like. He's got a never give up attitude. There's always a part of me that's part of the character. If Pushpa was played by somebody else, they would interpret it in some other way. This is my interpretation, so that's what Pushpa is about, this particular one.
Thank you. One more. Action.
Thank you, Instagram. It was so much fun having you guys over. And I hope you all watch Pushpa 2 and you'll love it.